Hi, my name is Frank Iglesias, and if you're watching this video, chances are you're a real estate agent that's been working in the field for some time, and we would love to take a look at how to do business together. As an investor, our company is working with houses. We love to buy investment properties, whether it's rentals, the traditional fits and flips, or we also buy land that can be used for new construction projects of varying kinds. And our focus is single family residential. However, we can look at other possibilities as well. And we're looking for people such as you to do business with. Okay, we'd love to be a value add. We've got a website of resources that can hopefully be of value to you. And then another big thing with us is we don't cut commissions. We want to make sure that as a real estate agent, you're a pro, okay? And you need to be compensated accordingly. Another thing we like to do is if we do business together, and this is for a flip or a new construction project in particular, we'll ask you to list it on the bat side if you're okay with that. Okay, most of the time that's usually the best fit, and it's our way of saying thank you. And again, you were loyal to us to bring a deal. We want to extend that loyalty in return. So if you have a deal, we'd love to meet you. We'd love to talk with you. Feel free to send us a direct message either on whatever platform you're watching this, email, phone, whatever it be. And we hope to do business with you sometime soon and get to know you better and build a relationship that can be of mutual value. Hope to see you soon.